Ni hao.
Cute ng 7-Eleven nila. The reality.
Happy? Yeah. Okay.
Okay, the CR.
Pagod dito. Ang kasama ko hindi napapagod.
Shopping sa Giro and Uniqlo. For the chicken. Rainbows. So, naganda rin sa
May halong gabay.
This is our food. Delicious.
Lami.
Not
Ni hao.
Hi guys, we're...
Sishe. Ni hao.
Ano ba naman to? We're here at Taiwan. Quick room tour bago kami umalis. Kasi today, meron kaming North Coast tour. Pagpasok mo, mayroong mirror. Ayan. We're staying at Hotel Papa Whale. Tapos yan. Then the CR, may toilet. And then shower. And then yung bed. Tapos maraming sockets. TV. Lagay ng luggage. May hangers. Table. May mini fan. May safe. Cute ng 7-Eleven nila. It's Hello Kitty theme. Guys, ang hirap. I don't know what to think. Kasi ito yung famous. Ito daw yung mas matapang. Ito last ng milk tea. That's what we're eating. Sunod-sunod yung mga 7-Eleven dito. Convenience store. Cosmet. Rufino. For 180. So on the way kami sa Shimen Station kasi dun yung meeting place nung nabook naming tour sa Clock. So today, dapat kasi June 19 yung bukas pa yung tour pero kasi holiday daw. So, minove today. Kaya puyat malala, guys. Kasi dumating kami kahapon sa hotel, 4 a.m. Oh my gosh. Yung hotel namin is very near than yung Shimen Station.
Dito kami na. Ito na yung Shimen din eh.
Oo nga. Oh my gosh. Kaya nga tayo dito nag-booking. Chika ko sa inyo, guys. Kapag dumating kami 4 a.m. So, ginawa namin, nag-bus lang kami, tapos nag-taxi to the hotel. Kasi nag-red eye flight kami, so never na namin ulitin yun. Kasi sobrang hassle na madaling araw kayo dadating. Kahit nakamura kayo sa ticket, yung mahal naman yung hotel kasi you have to book yung date ng flight nyo para may tutulugan kayo pagdating. Singkutang, and then popcorn. Kayo yung go straight na park. Taipei. Exit 6, so we're looking for exit 5. Over here. Hanggang group namin. Group number 7. Sakit. Natatanggal.
Matatanggal pag sa balat. Ba't sa balat?
Hindi matatanggal dyan. Oo, sige nga. Sa bag ko. Sobrang init.
Why you want to go there? Because you want to go to take picture. Only for the picture. So that means you are like young people. Always young people choose the 跳石 tour. Okay, so later our first stop we want to go to the 野柳. Why it will make the cloud? Because our driver the last name is Cloud. So the cloud in Mandarin is yun. Yun is cloud. You can see a lot of rocks, all kind of the shapes. Looks like a mushroom rock, ginger rock, and the candle rocks. Do you know rock? The same rock was created between 10 and 20 million years ago.
Ay, sorry. Here.
So, nag-overthink na siya kasi maniknik dito. 2 years ago kasi nagkaroon siya ng niknik bites. 3 years bago nawala. 2 years ago yun Tapos 3 years bago nawala.
Kita mo yung ano.
This is my beautiful view.
Look at this. 1992 until 2025. So, nagtitin na yung sa Queen's Head. Tapos sabi ng guide namin na baka in 5 years.
Wala na.
Wala na siya kasi super thin na. So sad.
Ito.
Ganda dito. Hindi mo na need ng umbrella because
Pumunta kami dito, umuulan.
swerte daw kami. Sana hindi ma-jinx. Sana hindi talaga ulan kasi June, summer season. Cute princess.
Yan.
Cute
Yan
ng
yung
pangalan nila, no? Cute princess. Queen.
Cute princess.
It's a prank, guys. Kailangan nyo ng umbrella talaga. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kainit.
Ang damis daw.
Yan. Wow. Fish. Okay, so dito kami sa konting tao kasi grabe yung tao. Hanap tayong spot.
Parang baho ng damit ko.
Baka yung ano lang yun. Oh, shucks. Baka pabasa yung shoes ko.
Hindi mo pa nga nakikita.
Dami kong kababayan dito. Hi guys. Dito tayo. Wala tao. Oh. Oo, sa Anand.
Pwede tayo magpapit.
Nagpudot. Oo. Pa-picture tayo. Listed. Dagat.
Dance. Shot.
Yes. Magdala talaga kayo ng umbrella and sacrifice.
Dangerous pala. Dance roses.
Ang sure. Wait. Saan tayo?
Picture mo ko dito. Dito.
Sige. Pwede na tao? Charot. So guys, ito yung cute princess. Di ako nakakabasa ng Chinese. So, it's so hot.
It's so hot in here.
No, babalik kami sa visitor center because I wanna collect stamps. And sabi dito daw mura yung pasalubong. So, tatry namin maghanap. Dito daw sa visitor center yung mga stamps and toilet. So, let's see. Okay, now we're gonna buy pasalubong. So, I think dun sa may blue and white na camp yung bilihan. Parang puro dried food lang din. Baka mali kami. Feel ko sa ibang location, ibang place. Binibig pasalubong. Okay guys, na ako. Retouch dahil talagang nahulas ako.
Saan tayo maglalunch?
Nahulas ako. Wala kami pictures together. So, ganito na lang. Tayo na lang mag-screenshot. We're now at the famous Chaoxue bus stop. We're gonna stay here for 20 minutes lang daw to take pictures. The reality. You're so cute with that lipstick. I actually saw that. Oh, nice. Sana maayos yung picture na. Fairness, mahangin.
Sarap na hangin, no?
There's a tree fan. And it's drizzling. Sana malapit ng sakit na ng pao. 101. In-order na nila in advance yung stuffed chicken ring.
Wala mo pwede milk.
Gonna get their lunch.
Your lantern inside. Your lantern inside.
It's ours.
This is my and sa kanya ay
Ano ba yan?
This is mine. Success. The other side of me.
successful business.
Family balikan or sunburn. Di na namin sinunod yung ano. Basta talaga lahat na lang ng wish na gusto namin. Nilagay namin doon. Do video for both, so you want to struggle.
1, 2, 3. Okay, go change. Yeah, look at me, look at me. 1, 2, 3. Happy pose. Happy. Happy. Yeah. Happy. Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Hala, nagtatagalog si
Come on,
Kuya.
guys.
This is the stuffed chicken with rice inside, and then I have the peanut ice.
You're buying that hat? It's a souvenir, 5 and 1 free.
Buy how many?
Any, 5 and 1 free.
Buy 5.
She's at the
Magkano na? Ako ay nag-change bit na, guys. Excuse me. Bili siya ng Shaolong bang. Now no soup. Pero parang hindi pang siopa.
Shaolong pao yan.
Patikman mo na. Patikman. Show din.
Dito.
Lasang Shaolong bang. Na siopa. I work here sa
1
Yin
5
and
minutes.
Yang Sea, something like that. I'm running on 3 hours of sleep.
Okay, the CRs.
I think copper factory or something. Well, daw sa cool yung difference in color. Parang sa'yo mag-ride siya dito ng haba nung
Gold mine before because in 1889 there's one group that built a railway from Keelung to Taipei and one
this is the Golden Waterfall.
Ganyan naligo tayo ng waterfalls, Palawan ba yun?
My bird. This is the other side. Oh my god, what is that smell? Ayun yung Shing Futang. Ang daming pipis. Mabubusog na ako dito.
What's that? What's that?
Magkano yan? It's 180 NTD for 1 box. Guys, ang daming shop dito. We bought ref magnets for our mga soap and essential oil.
Kasi mamassage niya ako mamaya.
Ang kupulong. And then kami ng cute na ref magnet for ourselves. Kasi Mas mura dito versus yung sa kita. Biglang nakakita ng mas mura.
Same lang.
Sobrang daming shop dito. Parang lahat gusto ko pasukan.
Ay, again and again and again. Pagod dito. Ang kasama ko hindi napapagod.
Guys, I'm gonna buy this one kasi it's cute. Ba't parang ang labo naman? Pero
Ala, umula, umula.
ang daming pasilog. This one is the taro ball. Bumili kami nung from this store. This one. Ay, hindi yan. Yung yung katabi. Joanne Bakery. Ang sarap nung nougats ba yun? Basta yung biscuits. Yung coffee, panalo.
Ako.
Malamig na ako. Time check, it's 7:40 and we're back here sa Sinanding. Grabe yung pagod ko. Pero shopping sa Gio and Uniqlo. Kasi walang Gio sa Philippines. My only goal is to buy barrel pants. Ay, I don't like this. Ito ba? Ito, barrel. Ito denim. Also, jorts. 90 price set. Check mo. Ang nipis na to, pero ang ganda mo. 290 lang. Dito pesos Bagay. Mas mura yung jorts sa Uniqlo. Ang 90 lang. Oh. From 7.9.
Sabi sa'yo, unisex ko. The fried chicken from here. To buy beef, rice, and of course, shrimp. Ito lang yung beef na nakita namin. Grabe, puro manok. Siyempre. Good morning, guys. It's our Good morning mga idol.
day 2, pero technically day 3. So now, pupunta kami sa Yonghe Soy Milk para sa authentic Taiwanese breakfast. Weather is good. We're finally here. Steam pork dumpling. This one. Then, ano bang to? Just try itong malamig o mainit. Yung malamig mainit, sinasawsaw kasi nila sa Oo. So, order. Let's try. Ito yung ice. Soy milk.
Ano to? Ito yung chicken. Ito yung chicken.
Egg lang makalo. Ito yung pork. Chicken.
Ano ito? Then out of bed. Mas masarap pa siya sa DTM.
So far, yun yung pinaka nagustuhan namin food dito.
Yun pa lang ang ano.
Tignan niyo yung pa ako. May band-aid dahil kahapon talagang yung paltos ko. Uy, may duster. Ay, mga 600. I mean, 299. So, parang sa atin 600. Now, on the way kami sa Ximen Station to go to Longshan Temple. Ngayon pa lang kami magko-commute. So, good luck to us. Yung Rainbow Street.
Yan na siya guys. Nagpipicture siya. Habang nagpipicture siya, ako nandito sa gilid. Happy Pride Month. Exit 1.
We made it. Sana all ganito ang transportation. Pero parang hindi naman ata ganun yung nakita ko yung stamps sa TikTok. We're now here. Wow. Just their map. They're so big.
What the hoy? Show you how sensitive she is.
Wala. Hindi. Nakakulay mo. So, ang ganda rin stamps. Have to go to the office and ask for the stamp. We're on the way to Shanghai Shek. Ni-research ko talaga lahat yan. Inisa-isa ko. So, our itinerary looks like this. Commute. Blue line to na, as in step by step. Kasi wala akong sense of direction. Tutulungan ko na siya dahil di na niya alam mo. Sobrang dali mag-commute dito guys. Sa Pilipinas di ako nag-commute eh. Dito todo commute ang ginagawa ko today. Please. May art.
Guys, magrereklamo po ako. Ako po ay simpleng mamamayan ng Pilipinas. Sa Taiwan ganito po ang ginagawa ko. Maganda po ang trabaho ko sa Pilipinas. Dito sa Taiwan, tingnan nyo ho ang ginagawa ko.
Ulit.
Hawak ko po lahat. Para ako naging PA.
Di ako din.
Pawis na ako. Tignan nyo kung gagawin ko.
Oh,
Nagiging laborer po ako dito pero walang sahod.
laborer. Siya may gusto niyo.
Wala akong sahod dito tapos gastos ko pa lahat.
50-50 kami dito guys. Tapos alam mo ba, ako nagplano lahat. Hindi siya tumulong, sabi ko one day sa kanya. Wala, hindi ginawa. So ako gumawa. Oh my God.
This is the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Center.
Oh, essential. Bring an umbrella. Ay, saan yung Shanghai? Ayun.
Doon siya nakaupo.
Sobrang enat. Guys, yung Vivaya for me, hindi siya comfortable. Ito yung hall. May dami palang stamps here. Oh. Sis, dito kami sa may parang souvenir shop something. Wow. Alam niya na kaagad. Wow. Flowers of freedom. Reverence for fortune telling him. Everything is a gift. Good luck. Seize the day and happiness will follow. Oh, seize the day daw. 79.
The harder you work.
The luckier you'll get. So this is for the both of us, guys. Hindi pa lang ako may reaction ko. Masarap.
May reaction ko na.
Good on. This is the third floor.
choice.
Nag-change of guard na.
Pwede pala yan eh, elevator to the 4th floor. Tapos pababa na lang kayo dito. Sabi niya, picturean ko daw siya. Tapos ganito yung post niya.
Hyper 101.
Grabe, paano niya inakyat yan? That's so amazing. Yung guy, hindi na natin gawin yung trend or... Soon daw. So, instead of buying the ticket for the observatory, go to Simple Cafe na lang for 500. So, go to the counter ng Simple Cafe para you can order here and get access. You spend 250 NTD per person so you can access yung takeaway section sa taas. So you can go to the 60th floor and then the 80th floor.
Sa akin nakatutok.
Ang ganda mo na.
Okay na?
This is the Taiwanese tea infused coffee and sa kanya affogato with espresso. Taste this. Ang 500 pesos na. 250 NTD to.
Saan kayo yan? Dalawa eh.
Ay.
Hindi masarap. May halong kabay.
Now guys, we're going to mall.
Turo ko lang, bibiling ko.
Sige gusto ko na bagong bag. Gusto ko ng Chanel. Guys, my feet hurts. Alam niyo ba bakit? Hindi naman dahil sa ganun. Sa width. It's more of hindi comfortable yung sakit niya sa paa. Minamarket siya as comfortable. For bosses. Pero maganda siya. Guys, I want this. 4,700 NT. This yung mga 9K. Gonna buy from here. Also gonna buy from here. This is your eating app.
We ordered a Korean kimchi jjigae and pork dunbury.
Wow. English challenge. We will only speak in English
For the whole year.
for as long as we're here in Taipei 101. Okay? Repeat what you said.
That the more the egg yolk cook, the more the nutrients go away.
The food, it's at least 100 NTD, like majority of what we've ordered so far is around 100 to 200. So in Philippine peso, that's 200 to 400. So that.
That will conclude my statement.
Look at his food.
It tastes like it's like the authentic kimchi jjigae.
Let's try my food.
Kuha ka na ba? Wala akong paglalagyan sa'yo nito.
Ano yung taste? Ano to? Tofu?
Ano yun? Squid. Masarap.
We will rate our food a 10 out of 10. The stamp here. Okay, I will let you stamp. Super bilis ng train nila dito. We're here. Dito daw mura. This is the pineapple cake. Ito, I want to try this because it's good daw. Ito. How much to? Mochi. 36. Ito yung ano. Sa other side tayo. We're going to the Shermanling Night Market. And magsha-shopping kami sa GU. We will buy yung mga tinignan namin kahapon.
Thank you, Aero. Ayan, Simending.
First stop, Aichung Florida. Yeah, I agree. Basta.
Sarap, no?
Kulang kami ni Gar. Next stop, potato corner pa din. We got the goods. Show them. Ganyan siya kalaki. Sinlaki niya yung face ko. Face niya pala. Oh.
Ulit.
They gave us a free yung sumasyo. Okay, let's try. Nakita. Magmamatch kaming dalawa. I like it. We're matching! My sugar daddy and I are matching screen. We bought some snacks kasi for sure magugutom si Poy. Pagdating sa hotel, kilala ko na yan. Good morning guys. It's our last full day here in Taiwan. And for breakfast, we're gonna eat at Weiding. This is our food, the chicken, cabbage, and then yung rice roll na may cheese. Ito po, grabe cheese yan. First bite. Delish.
Yummy. Ooh, yummy.
Perfect siya with this one. We're gonna ride the bus. Transfer kayo sa parang small bus to the bus na. First things first, magsistop kami. Okay, we're gonna start. Malamig yung hangin nila dito. Ang daming oldies na nag-hike. Grabe. You will just look at the view here. Grabe haggardness ko. $200 for this. Grabe yung bus. Going back to the station ng lala. Grabe, para ako nasa roller coaster. Feeling ko yun yung exercise ko. Tinan nyo. Oh. We're gonna eat lunch here at Lava.
Meron kasi yung clarify ko, meron gano'n.
This is our food. Ito yung noodles. Ito yung...
Basta.
Yung rice nila.
Gusto mo kumain? Kaharap mo lang. Papagurin ka ulit.
At we're gonna go here, yung Wolfenpu Shopping District. Tingnan natin kung true na mura talaga doon. Kasi sabi nila mura daw. So, let's see. Look. Ang goal namin ay makahanap ng 100 lang. 100 NTD. So, ito. So far guys, parang so-so lang. Yung mura nila parang medyo hindi okay yung quality. Like, pwede siya pantulog. Pantulog, pero pangalis mo. Guys, wala. Negative. Wala kami mabay. Napasok sa taste namin. Because kahit 100, yung quality niya is manipis. So, wala. I guess.
Branded ka na lang.
Oo. Yung iba, may nakita kaming top. 1,000 NTD daw. Eh, ang nipis eh. Oh, wala. Thank you. Thank you. Next. Doon na lang kami mag-shopping sa may net. Diba? Mas same price pa yung gusto. Water Dance Festival. Buster yung black pepper buns na Michelin, whatever. Abot hanggang ano yung pila nila. Patigyan.
Takto lang.
Ken sausage. Times 8.
Nag-imas pa.
Peanut ice cream yun. Hindi na namin tinapos until the end because overstimulation course. Sobrang daming tao. Dessert again. We're gonna get what? No. Now, let's taste those. Sabay tayo.
Sarap.
Peanut. Bite. Hindi namin trinay yung from the yung sikat. Dahil ang layo na.
Guys. Pero mas masarap yung sa Pilipinas na ano. Basta di ko matandaan kung anong tinapay yun. Basta may ganyang Pilipinas mas masarap pa. Tapos 5 pesos lang.
Ano yun?
Donut na yun. Ganyan. Tapos may cheese sa loob. Hindi ko alam.
Alam ko na yun. Milky cheese donut. First stop.
Bibili ka na dyan ha. Hindi na pwedeng window shopping.
Wait lang. Dalawa yung gusto niya guys. Sabi niya, isa lang mabibili ko dito and then binili niya pareho.
Walang pa nga eh.
Ano wala? Ito. Nauubusin namin yung tirang NTD namin sa pagkain. Dahil wala na kaming gustong bilhin.
Kimchi.
Potato ball.
Sweet potato balls.
Lastly, scallion pancake. Pero kimchi and egg. Ewan. We'll eat. I think, and ito ng vloggers. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.